Hi friends, this video shows how to delete keyboard history. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Go to general. Go down, select transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset. So here we have to select reset keyboard dictionary. Enter password. Here we have to enter the password of the phone, screen lock password. Read this message. This will delete all custom words you have typed on the keyboard. So if you want to delete all those words, you have to reset dictionary. Tap on reset dictionary. Done. Okay, so this way we can reset dictionary and delete keyboard history. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please take it.